Assalamu alaikum. In today's video of MS Excel, we will study transpose of matrix. Here are three examples I have given in my Excel sheet. We will apply certain formulas to find transpose of a matrix in a single step. As you know, transpose means shifting rows into columns and column into rows. So Excel provides us a formula that will convert our rows into columns and columns into rows. So here is example 1 in which I have a matrix of 2 by 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 are the entries of the column, and here is the place where I have to find its transpose. For transpose, you first have to select the blank space where you want to have your answer and then type equal. The formula for finding the transpose in MS Excel is TRANSPOSE 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 bracket, and then you will select the array, which means you will select the matrix, close your brackets, and then you have to press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter simultaneously. And here is your answer. You will see your row 5, 6. This row is now your column 5, 5, 6, and the second row having 7 and 8 entries is now your column. So in this way, applying transpose formula, you can convert your rows into columns. Now we will look into second example. Here is a 3 by 3 matrix. We will first select a blank space, then press equal, transpose, select your array, bracket close, and then control shift and enter. You will see the transpose is here. Another use of this formula is that for sometimes you need to convert, you have some data and you need to place it in a form depending upon your space that it takes a less space. For example, I have a data of months and profit. It's in a, you can say, in a column form, and I need to write it in a rows form. So you can also use transpose in this situation. You will select the blank space, equal, trans TRANSPOSE transpose, select your data, close bracket, control shift and enter. You will see the data which is in a columns form is converted into the rows form. Now we have 5 rows and 5 columns and 2 rows. So in this way, transpose formula is very helpful while solving your mathematical matrix problems, or even drawing any table depending on your space available. Thank you.